Hi guys, this is Katie and my cake number 6 out of 10 in my chocolate cake challenge. Today's recipe is super chocolate and delicious. If you'd like to support my channel, please leave a comment and subscribe.